In this video, we're going to come up with a quadratic equation where the quadratic has a root of 3 and -1 and the intercept is at 6. So to do this, if you want a quadratic, force a quadratic to have roots at -1 and 3. So if you were to do this, x plus 1 and then x minus 3, then now you're going to get a quadratic where it's at -1 and at 3. So at the moment it will look something like this. Now if you stick a k in front of this, if you stick a constant in front of this, then this value of k here, if k is big, then it will do something like this. K gives you the ability to change the steepness of the quadratic where the roots are pinned at -1 and 3. So if k is bigger, then it would do something like this. Or if k is negative, it would do something like this. And k is a big negative, it would do something like this. So this k here allows you to change the steepness of the quadratic. So you want to find a k such that the intercept would be at 6, and this bit here would pin the two roots at -1 and 3. So our job is really to find k such that the intercept is at 6. Because if you look at this, k, you can see that the intercept is here. The intercept is here. Hang on, let me just redraw this. As you vary k, so this is pinned at -1 and 3. As you vary k, you can see that the intercept is changing each time. We want the intercept to be at 6 right there. So to do this, let's multiply out this whole equation here. So let me just merge these two together. So that would then be k bracket, that would then be this. Multiply this out. This times this will be x squared. This times this will be -3x. This times this will be +1x. So merging the two together would be -2x. And then this times this would be -3. Now multiply out the k. So this thing here will be k x squared minus 2kx and minus 3k. Now you want to search for a value of k where the intercept is at 6. You see, this is your intercept right here. You want to somehow find a value of k such that this thing here would be 6, because this is your intercept here. So if you want this to be 6, then set this to be 6. -3k equals 6. So divide both sides by 3 minus 3, so that would be -2. You see, k is -2. So if you put this back into the, if you put -2 into the k, -2, then it would give us this this quadratic. So hang on. So when you put -2 into the k, -2 into here, -2 into here, and -2 into here, the whole thing will then become -2x squared. This thing here will be +4x, and this thing here will be +6. You see, this is our final answer. This will have an intercept of 6, and you can see it's an upside down quadratic because of this -2. Anyway, this is our final answer. Okay.